how's everyone doing today? I trust you are all well and safe at home, just like me here in Yerevan. So I am very safe. I'm staying at home. But as for today, because I haven't been out for a couple of days already, I don't have enough food to help me survive for these days. So I need to go out and buy some products to the nearest supermarket. So my freezer is empty. I used to have some meat here, but they're all finished. And yeah, so this is my fridge. So here I got this one. This is very funny. This is the beer. I've been traveling from to different cities already with this beer. I've been to Georgia and I brought it there. But initially, I bought it here in Yerevan and then I traveled to Georgia. I've been to Borjormi, Batumi, and Tbilisi. And then finally, when I came back here, I brought it back. I haven't drank it yet and haven't tried it yet. But but maybe soon, before I travel back to Moscow, I will try this. So here, these are old products, almost nothing. This is an old, porridge, and these are the vegetables. I still have some. Now I need to get some meat and rice. Let's go, guys, and join me. As you can see, leaves are starting to grow. So it's a beautiful day. I wish I can go to the park. And I will still try, but I will be very careful. I will still keep my distance from others because it's really one of the best way to prevent the spread of this virus. And I'm quite shy because people are looking at me. So let's go have a walk here. We have very beautiful weather. The spring just arrived, but it's quite sad that we are not able to enjoy the spring. The flowers are blooming already. But anyway, we all know that this crisis will be over soon, and we will get our chance again to enjoy the nature. Let's all pray for that. So I just came out from the supermarket and I have bought all the necessary things that will help me survive for a couple of days more without going out. And so I couldn't film there in the market because I think it's not allowed, because the last time I was filming, they stopped me and told me that I shouldn't film there. So I'm trying to be very obedient, so I listened. Today I didn't film inside the supermarket. that's all for my vlog today, guys, and I hope you like and enjoy this video, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!